Everyone, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where it is time for
Viewer mail.
Viewer mail. Woohoo! Guys, gals, thank you very much for everything that you've sent in, the letters, the postcards, the packages. You all are appreciated so much. So much.
Definitely are. So here with the channel, Luke and I like to film the viewer mail episodes because it's a way for us to say thank you and to recognize the viewers that send in the packages. And that's all it is. We just want to say thank you. It really means a lot, and I think other people just enjoy seeing the generosity of others, and it may inspire some kindness along the way. Doesn't have to be directed towards us, but we like to do it as a way to say thanks.
Yeah, so everyone, thank you so much. We might as well get started. I feel like letters today. This feels like a good one. So, let Suzy start us off here. Gosh, it is hot, folks.
It is hot.
It is nice and warm.
All right, so Larry sends in a very long letter. I won't read it all on camera, but we'll read it all.
Yeah.
And basically he says, thanks for your great videos and correspondence.
Buddy, I appreciate it. I've enjoyed it too.
And I think that you guys have been talking, and he's sending a book that will be in a separate package.
Oh, yes.
So that will be.
Yeah, Larry, my friend, thank you so much, buddy. You are appreciated big time. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe. Whoa!
Oh.
You guys can't possibly see this, but there's a military. Whoa, there's three. Whoa. 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 That is so wicked, everybody. So what we had going on there was a series of transport planes, possibly bombers. They were too high for me to tell, but the one in the lead was surrounded by fighters. That was awesome.
That was amazing.
I've been having all sorts of awesome experiences when it comes to fighter jets recently. Let's see, a couple of weeks ago I was coming out here, and it's about an hour drive, it's about 50 miles from our home to Lone Wolf. And as I'm cruising down the road, fighter jet, treetop level, right over my truck. And then another one, and another one. In total, there were 6 fighter jets flying right over the top of me. I was inside of my truck going, yeah, just screaming. It's just the coolest thing.
I'm surprised you didn't like drive off the road.
Oh, I slowed down. Traffic was behind me. I was watching and screaming and sorry. I don't care. It was awesome. It was awesome. Moving on.
Moving on. This comes from Michael.
Michael, how's it going, man? I hope you and your family are well. Use your claws, lady.
Oh, I'm using them.
Scratch your face off later.
Here you go.
Oh, sweet. Wow, man. Thank you so much.
I'll take this. Luke and Susie, thanks for all you do. I hope these might come in handy. Be safe, from Mike. Oh.
So what we have are carabiners with some paracord and a key ring and some paracord key rings.
Nice.
These are awesome. Very well made too, man. You've done a really good job with these. Michael, my friend, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These are awesome.
Yeah. No, he really did a great job with these. They're very well made.
Yeah.
Moving on, we have a package from Keith? Kevin?
Kind of hard to read. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, like it's been smudged here, so I can't quite read it. It could say Con 5. I'm not sure. I have no idea what that says.
Nobody knows.
What?
Coffee!
What? Bro, thank you so much. 100% Colombian freeze-dried.
Wow. Well, there's no letter, so it could be Keith.
Yeah, sorry, it's been smudged,
it's been
so
a little bit.
I don't know what that says.
I don't know, but thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Cone 5?
Cone 5.
Con 5? Whatever. Thank you so much. We do appreciate it. All right, quick question. What is the best coffee you've ever had? What about you?
Is Guatemalan coffee made cowboy style?
Cowboy coffee, like real cowboy coffee, is amazing. And if you've never done that before, I'll show you how in a future episode. It's very simple, but it takes quite a while. It takes longer than your average cup of coffee. That's why it's not something that I do very often on the trail or even at home, but it is.
Yeah, it does take more time. So when you wake up, you're just like you want it now, so you don't really want to do the cowboy coffee, but yeah. That's my favorite way.
I'll show you how in an upcoming episode.
All right, moving on next, we have one from Reed. Take a look in there.
Oh, snap.
Luke, I wanted you to try this brand of instant coffee. I hope you like it. I've had it a few times and my speed has certainly improved and no blindness has occurred. Has yet occurred.
Yet, keyword.
Hope you're well. See you online. Read.
One of his stickers. Hopefully that shows up there.
Luke definitely needs a new coffee that won't cause blindness because, you know, you struggle with that.
I do. My vision comes and goes.
Yeah.
I could jump super high, but I just can't see.
You can't really see where you're jumping at.
Yeah.
So,
Just constantly jumping into walls and stuff.
yeah, this would be a good change for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But at least I'm looking like a man. Head first into a wall. Bookmasters. This might be the book.
This might be the book that goes with Larry's letter, and it is.
Yeah.
So there's the book.
Check this out, everybody. Thank you so very much. We
Yeah.
appreciate it big time. A novel of naval intelligence in Cambodia. Yeah, and this was
Yeah.
written by him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot wait to read this. Buddy, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The last package comes from Lynn, my good buddy Lynn. Thank you so much, pal. Let's see, you're from Washington. Hope you're doing well out there. Let's open.
No, I like what Lynn did here. Made sure that you will open it the right way.
Yeah, that's funny.
No. Hey,
How about from the side?
okay. I mean, he took the time to write on that and everything. It's different. This side. Well, you
Okay.
see what you need to do next time, Lynn, for the next package.
Yeah, that works very, very
Good.
well.
Ooh,
Wow, dude.
wow.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Ah, that smells so good. I
It
can
does.
smell it already. Which means it's coffee.
Black
Ooh.
Rifle. Gosh, this stuff is so good.
Smell this one.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that's
Mm.
really good.
Beyond Black.
Howdy, Luke and Susie. Hope
Hey,
this
buddy.
package finds you well. I've been watching y'all for some time now and really enjoy your channel. I am a YouTube creator like yourself. I know how hard it can be to get the videos out during these times, so your content's greatly appreciated. I know your love of coffee is obsessive.
It
Really?
is.
Obsessive? Is that the right
I have
word?
a coffee tattoo. I'll show it to you later.
So I thought I would send you a little care package. Black Rifle Coffee Company makes awesome coffee, as you should know. And we do know, we've tried a lot of their different roasts.
Thanks to you all.
If you ever have the urge to see some incredible country and do some hiking, give us a shout out and we'll treat you to some backcountry that will make you think you've gone to heaven.
Wow.
Stay safe, Lynn and Gus. By the way, you could have opened the bottom. I was just messing with you. I
Instead,
wouldn't
I've
let
done
him.
this. So.
He did the side. I wouldn't let him. And Gus is the cattle dog.
Yeah.
Lynn and Gus.
Yeah, Lynn and Gus, thank you both very much.
Thank you
Yeah.
for the coffee.
To everyone, thank you all so very much. We appreciate it big time. I mean, it really does touch us to know that we have so many friends out there. You all really are our family. I mean, in fact, I talk with many of you all more than I do my own family.
It is true.
Yeah.
You guys are so generous and awesome. We can't say thank you enough.
We try.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. All right, everybody, that wraps it up for this episode. Everyone, take care. Be strong, be safe. Remember, we are in this pandemic together. Everything will work out eventually. Gosh, it's been crazy, though.
It has, but there's always a light at the end of the tunnel.
It's
You
true.
guys know that. We can do this.
All right.
That's it.
All right. See ya.
Bye.